excited, Rachel? So excited.
Yeah.
Rachel, what do you think about the pavilion?
Well, last time we went there, I found 3 beers buried in the sand. Being like a good person, good friend, like good human being that I am, I was like gave the one that I opened to Marshall, and I was like, "Oh, you want to
I
sit?"
thought you gave me a beer full of water.
And then he just looked at me and just dumped it out.
Okay, so we just got into the bar and Rachel got, okay, she didn't get denied, but she got told she needs to wait. That's Rachel right there. Who the hell is she talking to? Is she okay? Somehow she made it in. Why are they flirting? No. So one thing that I will say, I forgot what I was gonna say. Another girl. What? Marshall touched another girl. Oh my god, you're letting her on?
Just around the block, right?
Is this dangerous?
Fucking sick as hell.
I can't believe that worked.
He was mysterious. He was a mysterious guy.
Yeah, I was like, "Can I go for it?" He just put his helmet on, and he like tapped me. I was like, "What?"
I'll put you on my fucking shoulders.
I was trying to
God,
get a
don't do
but
that.
I
No,
was
no,
like, okay, so we just got in the ocean. I'm so Alright.
No, it is a defense mechanism. I swear to God, you touch me.
This is for the vlog. Got anything to say for the
Vlog,
vlog?
I love the vlog. Part 2.
This will be good for the vlog. Oh god, what are they? Look what they're doing. Look what they're doing.